Greetings, my name is Braden Frame, and I'm the Senior Director of Social Emotional Learning at the Urban Assembly. And I'm on this journey across the United States of America to show SEL Nation, to show how districts and how schools are prioritizing the social emotional development of young people. My journeys have brought me to Lansing, Michigan, the capital of the state of Michigan, to see Lansing Public Schools and how they are prioritizing and sustaining, integrating, and building the capacity of schools within the district to do social emotional learning. So now come join me as we go see high quality SEL here in Lansing, Michigan. I'm really excited to be here in Lansing.
Sure.
And I'm on this journey to see high quality social emotional learning, to highlight SEL Nation, because I know that districts and schools are prioritizing the social emotional development of young people.
Of course.
And I know that that's happening here in Lansing. Can you just tell me a little about what you have been doing and your thoughts on why SEL is important and why it's needed in Lansing?
I think that in terms of Lansing, we've been highly focused on social emotional learning for quite a number of years. I think that bringing Urban Assembly to the Lansing School District was paramount in how we went about implementing SEL for some of our schools, and we plan on, of course, continuing the efforts around implementation of SEL. But overall, our schools have been doing a phenomenal job with SEL.
I know that last year, it was around April, we did SEL Implementation University with various schools to be a part of the STAR grant here in Lansing. And so what I'm wondering is today, while we're here in Lansing, can we go around Lansing Public Schools and visit some schools and see what that high quality social emotional learning implementation looks like?
You're going to see it out there. You're going to see it in the teachers, you're going to see it in the students, you're going to see it in the principal, and even the culture. So I welcome you. Thanks for being here.
I champion SEL because we teach more than just academics.
Developing kids to be social emotional learners as well as academic.
Strongest SEL skill is self-awareness.
Goal-directed behavior.
My strongest SEL skill is self-awareness.
SEL here at Packagale takes on many forms.
We tell our kids that we practice the 4 Bs.
Students need those social emotional skills. Their brains are going through a lot of changes.
I'm proud of my growth in behavior.
Personal responsibility.
I think this is the building block and the foundation to where it all starts.
SEL does is help you deal with all of the emotions that young people, especially middle school and high school students, begin to deal with as they grow up.
SEL here at Gardner, it's a wide range of, every day is different.
And you can see it. If you walk down our hallway, our kindergarten first, second, third, they are empowering themselves to champion their skills on their own.
SEL at Gardner really ties into our idea that we are an international community and that as a school we are family to one another.
My strongest is communicating relationship skills. When I have a bad relationship with my friends, I want to have a good relationship, so I would apologize.
If I had to ask myself why I champion SEL, I think that starts every day at the very first 5 minutes of our day.
Our students are learning these skills that they need to be successful in life.
SEL in our school looks like true success, which is done building wide.
My strongest SEL skill is respect,
encouragement,
and grit.
I think everybody has to show encouragement. Somebody gives you the encouragement, tells you it's going to be okay, you're going to do great at this, and then they lift you up.
In school, it's helped me by, like I said, encouragement. It's helped me by showing respect. It's helped me by showing grit. It's helped me by showing all of that.
I champion SEL because it is universally beneficial.
I think sometimes students really struggle around healthy relationships.
I'm most proud of my growth in encouragement.
SEL journey here at Atwood has been a great opportunity for us to really teach students different skills that are going to help them, not just at school, but throughout life.
And a lot of them know where they want to go, just not how to get there. And I feel we as leaders, we can help them with that part.
Social emotional learning is involved in all the things we do. It helps children learn more about themselves.
I think all of the True Success lessons have pushed somebody and helped them with something. And when you show respect, when you give it, it'll come back to you. When you're responsible, people acknowledge that and they'll know that you're trustworthy.
I just love showing respect to everybody, even if they don't give it to me back. But no, you have to like say, it's all right, because now that person has learned and that person has walked away thinking, you know what? I should have said something respectful back.
Kids need to learn these skills. They're not inherent in them, and they often may not learn them outside of school, so we need to make sure that they learn these skills to be better human beings, I guess.
Since I've been here, I've been getting better grades, and I've been doing good. At circles, we'll be asking questions and learning more about each other.
Honestly, I can't think one student.
There are so many students.
There's too many.
Okay, this is a tough one.
I would start with Terrell.
Student Remington.
Imari.
Bastion.
Jatasha.
My favorite teacher, Miss Scarpelli.
The importance of SEL assessments is it helps us gauge where students are.
You can teach something, you can think you've given them the skill, but the only way to actually see that is to assess it in some way.
I really want to empower using that data next year.
So I think it's important to take stock in what we're already doing well, but also identifying those areas that we can support our students to help them grow and to help us grow as a school.